channel. Today, this is the second vlog. We're in Disneyland, and yeah, so I'll see you when we get there. We're here for Indiana Jones. This is the first ride of the day, so yeah, this is awesome. We're in Disneyland. Yes, there's two snakes. How tall this thing is? How tall is it? It's really dark in here. Oh, the lighting is so bad. Let's turn off the brightness a second. It's not better, but little statue thingy. Holes in the walls. A thing for Disneyland in Indiana Jones is always do what it says not to do. So like it says, do not step on the rocks. Step on the rocks. There's like little surprises in there. Sorry about the lighting, it's so bad. There's some like exiting sticks. Step on diamond-shaped stones. Well, we can't see those, but stepping on them and nothing's happening. Yay. Okay, we're almost on the ride, and here is the sign for the warnings. And yeah, so almost here. And it's raining really hard in Disneyland, like a lot. There's CPR Gaming right here, guys, and yeah. Going on Space Mountain, and yeah, since it's a very high-speed ride, I'll see you guys when we're there, when we're after the ride. So guys, Space Mountain. Here's the warning sign. We just got here. Space Mountain, and there's CPR Gaming. Yeah, we're here, guys. Yay. Here's some paintings. Here's CPR Gaming. You can't see his face though. There's that fat guy. Yeah. That moves when you move. Let's see if it's gonna follow us. Oh, it's looking at us. It's looking at us. Oh man, it's following us. Hey, you. Lol. Almost there. I'll see you guys after the ride. The rain. Go up in the rain. Here's some Dole. Here's the some pineapples right there. And you get this awesome Dole Whip. It's raining, so I'm gonna stop right now. Symphony swings and it's still raining. Like, look at this. Look at that. And yeah, so this is Symphony swings, and there's a California Adventure. Here's CPR for gaming.
For your safety.
It's so wet! Oh, it's so wet! The camera! Why did we pick this? Why did we pick this? This is so bad! Oh.
Guys!
Here's teacher game. We're at Disneyland, obviously, and this is the last ride of the vlog. And this is Radiator Springs Racing, and I'll just put you guys on a time lapse. Oh guys, we won!
Yeah, let's go!
What's your reaction to that?
This is like the first time I've ever won on this ride.
Nice. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later. This is the end of vlog 2, and have a great day. Bye, man.